Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on HAFURY GT20. To do this, you'll need to find the SIM slot right here on the left side. Take a SIM needle and stick it in the gap right there. Use a bit of the force to release it. Okay, so here we have it, and inside there's one SIM slot right here. And you can place additional SIM slot right there, but in that case you would sacrifice a place for SD card to get the dual SIM slot on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.